In this video, I'm going to show you how you can archive your ghost post on Threads. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So by default, ghost posts are automatically archived after 24 hours of publishing. However, if you wish to archive them before time, you can also do the same. To do this, log into your Threads account and then go to your profile icon down below. And you should see under your account here, we have your ghost post next to your icon. Just tap on it to display or to see all the ghost posts that you have. Currently, I only have one, this one. And if I tap it, I'll see more details about it. To archive this post, just tap on these three dots next to it. And here we have an option to archive. As you can see, I still have 24 hours left, but I wish to archive this now. To do that, just tap on archive. And now here you can confirm by just tapping on OK. So for my case, I don't want to archive. So if I tap on OK, it will have been archived. To unarchive it, you can just go back to your ghost post and tap on these three dots and unarchive it here. So that's how you can archive your ghost post on Threads. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.